Hello, welcome to your valuable knowledge. Today I'm going to cover three things. How to uninstall unnecessary software. I'm going to show you practically how you can uninstall it from the control panels. And the second one is reduce startup programs. And then I'm going to show you how you can reduce your startup program. And the third one is the how to clean your temp files. Okay. In this video, I'm going to cover these three things. So, for uninstalling unnecessary software, what you have to do is press Window button, and then after that search for Control Panel. And this is in the Window 10. I'm showing you in the Window 10 OS of operating system. Right? So Control Panel, select it. Then there will be so many like this. Let me zoom. These are the options or functionality available inside the control panels. What you have to do is select the programs and features. Inside this, you will find everything that you have installed inside your PC. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to search for the software that you don't need. Suppose I don't need this Negate 2020, then I have to uninstall it, right? Or if I don't need this Node.js, then I can uninstall it. If I don't need this MovieRise 4, okay, let me uninstall this one. So to uninstall it, right click on the software name, then click to the uninstall. So it will take, as for the size of the software, it will take times. Then, are you sure you want to completely remove the software? It's asking you. So confirm by clicking yes. So the software is not that much big, that's why it's not taking too much time. If the software size is very big, then it will take more time. Then okay, so after that you will not see that particular software, right? See, we don't found any software. There is no software that we just remove. So that's how you can uninstall all your unnecessary programs. This is the first step that I want to mention, right? After that, okay. Second one is reduce startup program. For reducing startup program, what are the steps? Let me tell you what is startup program. Startup program are the program which started at the time of your PC is started, and all the program will be running at the background, and you won't be even you won't notice it. So if your startup program is so many, then your PC starting the startup of your PC will take so much time, so it will hamper your performance too. And beside that, even after starting, the program will always run at the background, and while you're working while you're working in other software, it will may also hamper your performances because of the running at the background. Okay, so these are the startup programs. So I'm going to search from here task managers. Click on it. It will show a task manager window. So you can drag, you can resize, you can see the full size like this. And there is so many tabs. There are so many process, performance, app history, startup, user details, service. So what you have to do is click to the startup tab. Then you will see all the program name, which is in the enable and the disable mode. Okay, I have disabled all the stuff that of the software that I don't need to run all the time at the background. If I need, then I can directly open them. This is open the software and use it, right? So instead of running all of the software at the background, what you have to do is just click to the right click to the software name, then disable the software. This is disable already. Let me choose one is enable. Okay, this is Microsoft Bing service. If I don't need this, then I have to click the disable button, and it will go some 2 or 3 seconds, then it will disable. So I'm not going to do that. That's how you can disable all the startup program, right? Okay, this is the second point, and the third point is the clean temp files. As I said in the previous video, that clean temp files are actually reside inside the C drive. So what you have to do is for cleaning temp file, how you can do is what you have to do is just hold the window key plus R to show. To open the run window, right, like this. So for cleaning temp, what you have to type is percentage sign, then temp and the percentage, right? After that, click to OK. Then it will open a temporary file folders, right? And this temporary file folder is under the C users app data local tab, means under the C drive it is residing. And if your temp file is if on if size is becoming large and large day by day, then your cocoon will also hamper. So what you have to do is select all by pressing Ctrl plus A, then do save delete. Right, when you save delete, and it will pop up a message like this. Click to yes, then the deleting process will be started. So you can see how much GB it was using, around in 1 to 3 GB, right? So in order to speed up, we need to do this. We need to clean the temp file too from time to time. If you can do daily is good. If not, even you can do in a weekly basis. So some file may not be deleted. So what you can do is just check, do this for all the current item and skip it. Doesn't matter. Okay, fine. So this is the third point that I want to mention. So I hope now you can uninstall or reduce the startup program and clean the temp files too. So do subscribe my channel for the upcoming and useful videos. And if you have any query, you can comment on the comment sections what you want to learn next. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.